Well, we have noticed that lots of American women were worried about face mask for 40 plus and they want something really beneficial. This video will be a true help for them as we are going to share few names with you in this video. But, this task can't be easy, we need the help of an expert, and in the year 2023, everyone is talking about AI, so, we have asked questions from Chat GPT. First, we have raised question about face mask for 40 plus and we got this list as answer. Collagen face mask. Hyaluronic acid face mask. Vitamin C face mask. Gold or peel off face mask. Mud or clay face mask. Anti-aging sheet mask. Watch this video till the end. We have asked relevant questions about these categories and summarized for finding out a list of really effective products. Keep watching this research task till the end. To dig down further, our second question was about the best collagen face mask for 40 plus available in USA, and the answer was again a list. Olay Regenerist Collagen Peptide 24 Face Mask. Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Dr. Jart Plus Dermask Entra Jet Firming Solution. Versed Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. Our next question was about the best hyaluronic acid face mask for 40 plus available in USA, and we got another list. Laneige Hydrating Sleeping Mask. Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. Fresh Hydrating Radiance Dual Infusion. Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Dr. Jart Plus Dermask Hydration Love Rubber Mask. Versed Hydration Station Booster with Hyaluronic Acid. Following the latter, our next question was about the best vitamin C face mask for 40 plus available in USA, and the next list was having Olay Regenerist Luminous Vitamin C Sheet Mask. Laneige Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. Glow Recipe Pineapple C Brightening Vitamin C Serum. Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Dr. Jart Plus Dermask Vitamin Drop. Versed Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. Yes, the next obvious question related to the next category, and we have also asked about the best gold or peel off face mask for 40 plus available in USA, and we got this list. Peter Thomas Roth 24K Gold Mask. KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. Glamglow Supermud Clearing Treatment. Tatcha the Dewy Skin Cream. Algenist Elevate Advanced Retinol Serum. Shani Darden Skincare Retinol Reform. Our another question was related to the best mud or clay face mask for 40 plus available in USA, and we got this list. Glamglow Supermud Clearing Treatment. L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Mask. Sunday Riley Saturn Sulfur Acne Treatment Mask. Origins Clear Improvement Mask. Algenist Elevate Advanced Retinol Serum. Shani Darden Skincare Retinol Reform.
Last but not the least, we have also asked about the best anti-aging sheet mask for 40 plus available in USA. Olay Regenerist Luminous Overnight Mask. Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Dr. Jart Plus Dermask Entra Jet Firming Solution. Versed Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. Oh, we have already given you a big list of product names. But, few of them were coming repeatedly. We have extracted these names and mentioned their images for you in between of this video. Perhaps, you have noticed these valuable 8 products. Here is the list of these products. Hopefully, you will use them and share your review about them with us, and if you have already tried them or tried a few, please let us know about their impact. Share your experiences in comment section.